Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a beta symbol on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert the beta symbol on your Google Sheet web, you just need to use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative because there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet web on your computer. So the basic keyboard shortcut was you just need to press alt key with the number of 225. Okay, so you just need to press, you can see our option of alt key on your keyboard. Just press the alt key. Now type 225 and just leave the key. It automatically create the beta symbol. So press the alt key, type 225, just leave the key, it create alpha symbol. This is the how you just insert the alpha symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and if you have any common doubts on your Google Sheet web, you just comment below. I just make a video about it, and we will meet our next video with a super valuable Google Sheet content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.